Are you sure you don't want a piece of gum, my heart?
My Ken woman, she's outside again, back-to-back days. How do you feel?
Tired.
The f my husband.
Shut.
Wait,
Yo, cut that. That was amazing. Yes. They're sharking. We all sharking.
all sharking out here, man. It's shark season out here.
I know that because he said it and he doesn't lie. So my question is, who are you taking home tonight?
So bad. He wanted to be in the conversation. So bad.
There was Linda, Katrina, Karina, Diamond,
Oh,
Star,
oh.
Felina.
Yo, look at why you look at me like that? What?
I don't like you.
Why don't you like me?
Because I don't.
Fuck you then. The energy. Hold on.
Times 2. You.
Yeah, you dumb. Like, first of all,
And you didn't even wish me happy birthday.
that's friendly. I got a woman. Why do I look like happy birthday? What the f? I'm not friendly.
So now it's get money. It's a hot boy summer. We outside, and I'm playing like I'm LeBron. So if you on court, I'm coming for you.
FYI, if your woman knows Justo, just know she's a hoe. What am I? What I?
If she know me, I most likely ate her pussy.
No, he's not talking about my job.
That's what I'm saying. Exactly. Put her his there. Yeah.
That's what I'm saying, bro. My right here,
I cried.
you know me, dude.
I cried.
I'm a monogamous man. All my monogamous too. On the guys. Y'all don't even know what that shit means. What is y'all talking about?
Yeah, I'm excited. I'm one of the first to touch this nigga snake. This shit bad. Order bowl.
Yo, someone take yo. That's right here. I'm not taking no picture. Why everybody wanted to get it? I'm not getting it. I'm not shooting. Oh yeah, shoot that. Shoot that shit. I'll look away. Come on, W man. Stop looking at me. Stop talking to him. Gangster, put that shit. So, give me your answer. I got you.
You want to send him on?
Hell yeah. That's one reason. W man, yeah, W man, yeah, of course. Sheepish, clean on his face. I know. I did it.